First gift. First gift. Tadan! Happy anniversary. And the second gift. Tadan! It's your favorite. Open it. Open it.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Tapos. Open it. Bunutin mo na.
Ayun pa nasira yun.
Sko, pwede na punitin yan. Pakita mo muna yung mamahaling singsing. Mamahaling singsing. Yan. Tagal naman mag-ano.
Agaya ko lang.
Tada! Yay! Pakita mo, pakita mo! Harap mo naman, gabi naman siya eh. Iharap mo yung karton. Ay, nakatalikod pala. Yan na pala yung harap. Okay. Happy yan.
Thank you so much.
Okay.